Globalization. Globalization is a historic process of worldwide integration in a political, economic, social, cultural, and technological way. This concept has changed the world, connecting countries. It is the result of the consolidation of capitalism, the necessity of the expansion of commerce, and technological advances. The term of trade is referred to the transaction that takes place with the objective to buy or sell a product. Digital revolution. The digital revolution is one of the topics that has caused many controversy all around the world, since it is an enormous change in technology and it's seen in our daily activities such as using a computer for work purposes, using cell phones to communicate with people all around the world. In general, just using the internet to have easy and fast access to any type of information. It could either be true or false. Terrorism is a way of the use of violence by specific organizations to cause fear in the population. It is mainly with political purposes or even religious. The terrorism could either be physical violence such as murders, kidnappings, among others, or moral violence, which is the destruction of goods, fires, destruction of buildings, not precisely against the population.